Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review or first impression on this Flawless brows. I've seen it everywhere and I wanted to try it out. This is the starting guide, so basically put the battery in, turn it on, and then use circular motions to remove the hair. This is what the Flawless brow looks like. It literally looks like a pen, and then the top part is a blade, but it's like underneath like the cover or whatever. And then when you turn it on, it has a light so that you can see all your hairs and all that stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my skin super tight, because that's what the instructions say. Grab your skin tight. I was super nervous, and start removing the hair in circular motions, which I think is like kind of weird and not the best, because you can like use a circular motion and then your whole brow is off. But I was like scared, so I didn't go super close to my brow line, but I just like cleaned up around it using the circular motions. As you guys can see, the light, I mean, I don't know if the light really does much, but it does have a light, so that's kind of cool. Like if you want to do it in the dark or whatever, you can, you got that light to get it done. And then I'm just gonna show you guys the whole process, because I don't know, it was pretty quick, so I wanted to show you guys like everything that I did. It was very interesting. I feel like with like wax or like threading, you get a cleaner line, of course, and it just looks better. And I feel like this is not going to last long, because you're just like shaving it off. So basically it's going to grow back and it's going to be stubbly and all that stuff. But hey, it is what it is. It is always fun to try different ways to remove hair. I like to always find like new ways and stuff like that. So it was something fun. Literally, this is taking forever for me to remove my hair. I feel like my fan on my computer is on. It's all loud. So I'm going to move on to my next brow. This brow, I feel like is, I don't know, I needed to leave more hair on it, because last time when I plucked this brow, I plucked too much, and I don't really have like a strong tail, so I don't like to remove too much hair on the ends, or my tail is like completely gone. And I do the top of my brows, because I feel like it gives it more of a shape. I didn't even do circular motions right there, as you guys can see, but we're trying different techniques, figuring this out, because this is literally the first time I'm ever using this thing. But I think it turned out pretty nice. So we're turning it off, and then it says you have to clean it out after you're done using it. So what you do is just remove that top part, and then that's where the blade is. So I'm going to remove the blade, and then I'm going to show you guys like how much hair is on there. As you guys can see, it's quite a few. But that's the little tiny one. I'm like, ew, gross. I don't know why I always think it's like gross with hair, but it's not even that gross. And then we're just going to use the little brush that it came with and brush off the blade real quick like. And we're also going to brush out the inside of that little cap thing to protect, I guess it's supposed to protect it from the blade, basically. And it's also supposed to make it painless. So, I mean, that's good. And now we're going to put it back together, and it's ready for the next time I use it, if I ever use it again. And then now I'm just going to trim my brows, because my brow hairs get kind of long. I mean, obviously it's not that long, and it was probably better if I didn't trim them, because I need as much hair as possible, because my brows are super thin. They're like little baby brows, but I have to make it work. I do fill them in, so it's not like a super big deal, because you gotta do what you gotta do. So now I'm gonna clean it off with witch hazel, because for some reason my brows were kind of like burning a little bit. I don't know if it's because the blade like grabbed a hold to my skin flaps and they cut them up. But it burned a little bit. I know when my mom used it, she had like scabs and stuff. So just be careful when using the Flawless brow pen. I wouldn't recommend it. I don't know. It's just, I feel like it's not worth it. But it could work for other people. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like this product. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And this is me looking at my little skin where it looks like it kind of got cut, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya!